Hi everyone, it is time to master DIY kids haircut at home. But first, I'm combing his hair, preparing the canvas for the blade work. We deliver all the way close. I'm starting around the temple peak area, setting my first initial guideline. Now I move to the back of the hair to meet the opposite side, ensuring this guideline is as even as possible. The lever is still all the way close. Here is the number 1 guard. I'm making another 1-inch guideline. Make sure it runs parallel to the previous guideline we just did. Guys, brush out the canvas. Keep it clean. With the lever all the way open, I'm starting the transition process. Now you notice me adjusting the lever more frequently, switching halfway and fully closed, creating a more detailed look. Watch as I continue with the rest of the section until all panels come together. The lever is now all the way open. I come in with 1.5 guard, the hair clipper guard I will be using for this haircut. The reason I made this guideline so wide, as you might have noticed, is to create a gradient fade, blending the two guards together. Now I throw back in the number 1 guard, the lever all the way open. As you can see, I'm carefully creating a gradient fade without pushing too hard. As you can see, the fade is coming the way we wanted. Always brush out at every section, keeping the canvas as clean as possible. Here, I throw back in the clipper with no guard. The lever all the way open. Basically here, I'm examining the process to make a determination using the corners of the blade to remove any dark spots I could see. Guys, today I'll be bringing down the top hair to a 1 guard length. So as you can see, I'm testing the waters using the 1.5 guard to check for any cowlicks or hair split. As you can see, there is a book around the top side of the hair. Now I come in with 1.5 guard, the lever all the way open, just to clean up the book around the top hair. Lastly is detailing, and that is where the pros come into play. Detail is key. Use your corners, look for dark spots, and bring the fade to life.